Okay, we're in homework 2.2, and we're looking at this question here, which is question 12. Okay, so we're given a graph, and we're asked to find the function value when, well, we're given the function value to be -1. So we're told that f of x equals -1, and we want to find the solution to this equation. So that just means what x value, when I plug it in here to f of x, or to my function f, when is f of x equal to -1? What is that x value? So remember that a point has an x and y coordinates. So if we know that f of x equals -1, that means y equals -1. So we need to find the x value that goes with that y value. So I'm going to look at my graph here. Y values are from the y-axis, or the function values are on the y-axis. So here we have the linear function, and if we go to our y-axis and find -1, we're right here, okay? And then we want to find which x coordinate matches the y value or goes with the y value of -1. Well, right here on the y-axis, we're not on the linear function, so I have to travel over with my cursor. I'm going to go to the left, and here is the point where the y value is -1 and the x value that lies on the linear function is -6. So we can say that the solution to this equation is -6. Okay, now we're asked, when is the function equal to 0? What x value gives me the function value of 0? And that's just when y equals 0. So I'm going to go back to my graph of the linear function. And when y equals 0, that is the point on the x-axis. So if y is equal to 0, that means we are lying on the x-axis. So we travel over to our linear function and we end up right here. This is the point that has y value equal to 0, and you can see that the x value at that point is -4. All right, now we're asking, when is f of x equal to 2 or y is equal to 2? So I'm going to go back to my graph. And here you can see that we're at a height of y equal to 2. And it just so happens that the linear function is right there on the y-axis. So that means x equals 0. All x values on the y-axis are 0. And that's how you do these questions. Just remember that if the point lies on the function, the linear function, it has an x coordinate and a y coordinate, and you just need to find what those coordinates are to answer these types of questions. And also, even though it looks strange because they use function notation here, just remember f of x is equal to y.